StegoCrawl wrap from Stego Industries. The construction industry's choice for below-slab moisture vapor protection also solves crawl space encapsulation. StegoCrawl is engineered for maximum protection against moisture vapor and soil gases beneath your home. And its custom blend of resins designed specifically for crawl space conditions is portioned with confined spaces in mind. Clean and bright, the perfect way to improve the indoor air quality and efficiency of your home. StegoCrawl's line of installation accessories keeps speed of installation in mind, a system approach that saves you time and money. All create a custom, clean encapsulation. StegoCrawl vapor barrier is available nationwide with local support and online at shop.stegoindustries.com and comes with Stego Industries' Life of the Building warranty. Durable enough for heavy commercial construction, convenient enough for your home. StegoCrawl, your complete solution to crawl space encapsulation. To learn more, contact your local Stego expert.